After debuting the Model Y Parcel Shelf at Giga Shanghai last year, Tesla is bringing the highly requested accessory to North America. More than 24 red Model Ys are showing up outside Giga Texas, which is heartening news for those waiting for the color. The Tesla CEO was already asking users if they wanted an edit button shortly after news broke that he now owns a large stake in Twitter. Tesla published a patent for new integrated temperature control systems for seats in its vehicles. On the other side, Tesla increased the price of the base Model 3 in Germany by €7,000. Excited to know more? So stay with us until the end for more details. Welcome to Technopole. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update about Tesla or basically anything related to the billionaire Elon Musk. With that being said, let's begin. First up today, Tesla increased the price of the base Model 3 in Germany by €7,000 over the weekend, from just under €42,990 to €49,990. The price increase follows some other price increases in early March. Tesla raised prices on the Model 3 and Model Y long-range models in the US and China, and then raised prices on the long-range and performance Model 3 and Model Y in Germany. Recently, Germany's basic Model 3 has also received a price increase of about 17%, entering the price range of German luxury cars. The price hike for the base Tesla Model 3 in Germany means potential buyers are ineligible for the government's top electric vehicle subsidy. Buyers of electric vehicles are eligible for subsidies of up to €9,000, depending on the net price of the car they buy. Electric vehicle subsidies are distributed between the state and the manufacturer. For instance, for a €9,000 subsidy, the state's share is €6,000, while the manufacturer's share is €3,000. However, the updated price of the Model 3 in Germany makes it ineligible for the top €9,000 subsidy. For vehicles between the net price of €40,000 to €65,000, the state subsidizes €5,000 and the manufacturer contributes €2,500 in subsidies. Base Model 3 customers will then lose out on €1,500 in subsidies with the price increase. Stern calculated that the price increase of the base Tesla Model 3 in Germany makes the vehicle €8,000 more expensive, about 21% higher considering the subsidies. Tesla's price hike has been linked to higher costs for raw materials such as nickel for its lithium-ion batteries. Last month, Tesla CEO Elon Musk warned of massive inflationary pressures in raw materials and logistics. Even the Model S Plaid and Model X Plaid aren't immune to price hikes. Earlier this week, we first saw a single red multicoat Model Y at Giga Texas, suggesting that the paint shop is expanding production of the car in Pearl White Multicoat, dark blue metallic, and solid black. They've clearly been hard at work since then, as there are now more than 24 red Model Ys parked outside the factory. The glistening new electric SUV were spotted in a drone flyover by Jeff Roberts. Based on the footage, it appears all 23 cars were equipped with the 20 Induction wheels. With the factory now producing red, that just leave midnight silver metallic as the last remaining color in Tesla's lineup, yet to be added to the repertoire of Giga Texas Paint Shop. Until they want to add the new colors coming soon from Giga Berlin, Abyss Blue, Crimson, and Mercury Silver Metallic. After debuting the Model Y Parcel Shelf at Giga Shanghai last year, and only recently adding it to the line at Giga Berlin, Tesla has brought the highly requested accessory to North America. Brad Sloan spotted a white Model Y over Giga Texas with the trunk open during a recent drone flyover. Even though the footage is taken from a distance, it is clear to see there is some equipment sitting on top of the parcel shelf, or the cargo cover as it is more commonly referred to. Tesla says the parcel shelf is intended to conceal valuables, keep the sun away from groceries, or minimize noise from wrestling objects. It is apparently also sturdy enough to serve as a shelf. This sturdiness means the accessory isn't retractable, but instead uses a foldable design and a magnetic mechanism to hold it in place. While we don't see it in the video, the rear cargo area may also feature a new cargo hitch that was recently introduced to the owner's manual. 2 hooks are located toward the front of the cargo area and 2 toward the back. The hooks are designed to be used with lashing devices to secure loose objects in the cargo area. Soon after news broke that Elon Musk now owns a large stake in Twitter, the Tesla CEO was already asking users if they wanted an edit button. As of this edit, 76.3% of users support the edit button, and 23.7% vote against it. On April 2, the official Twitter account tweeted that the company was working on an edit button. Some Twitter users responded to the announcement, saying the edit button was unnecessary, while some wondered if it was an April Fool's joke. Elon Musk's poll could yield more substantial results and provide companies with solid data on whether users want the Twitter edit button. Musk has used polls to gauge the needs and wants of customers and his Twitter followers in the past. In fact, it seems like a poll decided whether or not he would invest in Twitter. On March 25, Elon Musk asked his Twitter followers if the social media platform rigorously adheres to free speech as an essential component of a functioning democracy. He noted that the consequences of the poll would be important and asked people to vote carefully. Majority of users who answered the poll voted no. Elon Musk purchased 73,486,938 Twitter shares, or 9.2% of the platform's common stock, according to a 13G filing from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on April 4. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives thinks Elon Musk hasn't finished investing in Twitter. This is just the appetizer. Ultimately, we believe he will have an active stake over the coming weeks or month, Ives said. This is just a start. I think he will have a broader strategic focus on Twitter, whether it's changing the slate, changing the management team, or ultimately a buyout. Just to be clear, this is just a start of what I believe is going to be a much more active role for Musk at Twitter. As of the last update, Tesla published a patent for a new integrated temperature control system for its vehicle seats. The electric car maker said the most recent filing, dated March 31, 2022, is a continuation of its February 21, 2019 patent for vehicle seat with integrated temperature control system. In the patent, Tesla lists a number of ways that current seats have inadequate temperature control. Attempts to provide air ventilation through the seat foam are typically insufficient to remove excess heat and provide a comfortable environment for the occupant. Further, conventional heating systems are bulky, occupy space in the seat, which typically requires the seat to be thicker, and are inefficient in heating the seat as the heat typically must travel through multiple layers and heats regions of the seat that the occupant does not contact. Hence, there is a need for an improved temperature control system for vehicle seats, Tesla wrote. Tesla's solution was to create a temperature control system that pumps fluid throughout the vehicle seat. The temperature control system includes a base layer and an intermediate layer disposed adjacent to the base layer. The intermediate layer allows fluid to flow through it. The temperature control system includes a cover layer disposed adjacent to the intermediate layer. The temperature control system also includes at least one heating element disposed between the intermediate layer and the cover layer. The temperature control system further includes a fluid pump to provide the flow of fluid through the intermediate layer, the patent stated. According to Tesla, its new temperature control system is made of different layers of materials, including fluid pumps and heating components, that actively cool and heat the seats inside the car. The new system promises to reduce vehicle manufacturing costs and minimize noise inside the cabin, while still using the vehicle's power efficiently, much like the heat pump when Tesla first appeared in the Model Y. So what do you guys think about this? Let us know in the comments below, and most importantly, if you wish to be updated on every single topic related to Elon Musk, you should consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the bell icon. Also, thank you for watching the video. This is us signing off. See you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.